In this AI era, most people are using Claude, but they are using it like a fancy Google search. They type a sentence, they get the answer, and they lead. That is only 5% of this tool, what it can do. I will show you there is 95% today. We will sign up on it. We will download and install its desktop version, and we will go through its pricing and its different features. So this starts with us. I will open a new tab, and here the research bar, Claude. The thinker, go to this first link, sign in. I have already created an account with this. Let me log out from it. So once you sign up, you can sign up directly with Google. So continue with Google. The window will appear like this. Select the Gmail account or Google account. Continue. It will ask you for your number to verify it. So verify your number, and it will show you this interface. So now we are using 3 plan, as you can see here. Upgrade. Now if I expand this sidebar, so here you can see new chat, search, chats, projects, artifacts. You can see this code, but this is grayed out. In pre-plan, Claude code is not available, and you can see this customize. Now what we will do, we will install the desktop version. You can use this word version. You can also use the desktop version. So for that, I will open a new tab, and I will search here for Claude desktop. Hit enter, open this first link, and here you can see download for Windows. You can also use it in mobile. Click save, and it has saved the exe. So I'll open this or double click on it to open it. So now you can see here it is downloading Claude. So we will wait. That is 209 MB. So now you can see it is installed and it is launching Claude. Now you can continue the same way here. So I'm click on this continue with Google, and similarly click your Google account. Click continue. Always allow Claude AI open Claude. So it will open this desktop version of Claude. I'm not going to give it camera access and select no, continue. Now you can see here the same menu. New chat, projects, artifacts, customize, and you can see the code here and the CoWork here. So both of these are not available in the 3 versions. So we'll go to this chat, and here we will now discuss this one by one. So in this chat, you can ask about anything. So if I ask it like me an email to HR for sick group, hit enter. So now it is asking you further question. How long will you be out? 1 day. Mention feeling unwell. And now you can see it has written this email for us, and you can go to this in red email button. Similarly, you can ask it for anything. You can give it a coding error. It when this outlet, you can ask it right. You cube reduce clip. It will do it. It can do anything. Now we will go to the second tab, the projects. So this project's capability or feature make Claude different from other AI. It is like giving Claude a brand for one specific area of your work. Let me show you how to create a new. So click on this new project, give it a name, content writer, and I'll paste a prompt here. You are my personal content strategist and copywriter. I create content for YouTube channel and productivity for freelancers. I am Verist, so I've given it this context. Now it will remember this context. Now create the project. So now you can see content writer project is selected. Now if I check in this project, so it will remember all things, and it will follow these rules that I have given it. So now when I come again to this project, so I do not need to give it a context. It will automatically know what I'm going to do here, in which context I'm checking with it. Then we have artifacts. This is the most important one here. This can create you a custom ad. So if I create a new artifact, so I'll select this productivity and tool. I'll skip this, just me, skip this. And now I'll ask it, create me a thumbnail, make a real, and I change the background color, the text color, UTC. So now it is working on it. So now you can see here it has created us this app. From here, I can change the comment size. I can change the background color. I can change the title here. I can change the text size, the text color. Similarly, I can move it above and below, and I can download it from here as well as here. So this artifacts can create you an app in real time. So now we go to customize. And customize, you can connect different apps. You can create new skins. So first we will connect a new app. So I'll click on this connect your app. Now you can see here Gmail. You can connect Gmail here. You can connect Figma here. You can connect Google Drive here. If I select this Gmail, continue, select all, and continue. So now if I go to these connectors, so you can see Gmail is connected. Now you can allow different, allow this, and it is already allowed. So now if I go back, and now if I ask it, read my Gmail inbox and give me 100 mails. As you can see here, 100 emails. So now you can automate your Gmail with it. You can ask it to give them a reply, or you can ask it to delete all the 100 mails. It can manage your Gmail. Now, if I again go to customize connectors, there the connector, browse connectors. And now if I come to these plugins, here are the different plugins that you can use with Claude. If I add this plugin, as you can see, it is added. Similarly, this PDF, rework, I can add this as well. Engineering, finance, product management, different plugins. You can add them. Now we will come to the skins. So these are different skins that you can add in your quad. So if I add the skin was design, so now you can see it is added. Now if I close this, and now if I come to the skins, now you can see canvas design and skin.md is creative. Now you can read the skin and what is its function and what it can do. You can read that here. You can create your own skins as well and add it to plot. Now I'll go back to customize. Then here we are in chat. Now if I maximize, there's no rebuild. Open this menu from here. These are the settings, so you can do different settings here. Here are the Gmail settings. You can change the name and things. Now this is accounts, is show your account and the usage. As I am logging from desktop as well as Chrome, so it is showing both. This is privacy, this is spellings, this is free plan, a bread plan. If I click on this, as you can see here, these pricings, we are currently using this free plan. It has this capabilities in it. This is the pro plan. It costs you $17 per month. It has these capabilities, and this is the max plan. It costs you $100 per month. And there's these capabilities. Now I'll go back to settings again. Now, if I go to his capabilities, so if you turn on this generate memory from chat history, straight with generate a memory for chat where it will remember things from different chats. As you can see here, chat memory, no memory yet. When we stretch on this toggle, so now it will create a memory for a sub and it will show it here. Now you can import a memory with this from your previous AI provider if you are using ChatGPT and you have a memory there. So you can import that here. So these are different settings you can done about them. Then we have connectors. We have already seen the connectors. Then it Claude codes, so it is used for coding purposes and it is not a relevant free. It is in the paid. As you can see here, upgrade to Mass or Pro. Then we have general. Then we have extensions, and then we have developer settings. Now we will go to this menu. So if I click on this, and if I come to his help and troubleshooting, and to this enable developer mode, enable. So now it has relaunched the Claude, and now if I go here, you can see developer mode. And if I come to this configure third-party instances, select this. So now you can use here third-party instances with it. Here you can use Open Router, the Open Router API key, and apply locally, and then it will work with Open Router models. So you can use open source models with it from here. So now I'll close this. Now, at the end, we will learn about the part master prompt for Claude. So I have created a 5-part prompt. I'll paste it right here and I will explain it. So now you can see part 1 is role, unlike securities. So what it means? So you have to ask Claude to act as an SEO expert, as an software engineering expert, and so on. Then is the context. So what is your context? You can give it your context. So this is the most skipped part. People skip this. Then is part 3 is the actual task, what you want that to do for you. You give it the task in part 3, then is the order permit. So in what permit do you want the data take it return you? So you should have to mention that permit. And then fifth one is constraints. For example, if Claude is giving you get a back in a plain textbook, you can constrain it to give it in JSON format, and you can constrain that to KDE format. So based on this, I have created a real prompt on YouTube SEO. So I'll show you there. So I'll remove this, and then there's that prompt. As you can see, the first one is role. You are YouTube SEO strategist with 8+ years of experience. Then is the context. My video is about this. My target audience is this, and so on. Then is the task. Generate the compute YouTube SEO metadata. Then is the format, in what format I need the data. And then is the constraints. Now let's check this data, how it works. Now you can see here it is produce your title, the meta description. It is for the blog. If you have a blog or YouTube based run, so it is created work, the blog. Then you have YouTube description. Then you have chapters in it, resources in it, hashtags, and then next, thanks. So I think this is enough for today. This is all about Claude. In the next video, we'll be learning about Claude Code.